Welcome to Coder Station.
Hey guys, welcome to Coder Station. Today we have brought a comprehensive video series of C programming for you all. We will cover the fundamentals of C programming, covering everything from all the concepts to developing your own C program. So moving further, what is a C programming language? C is a general purpose programming language which was developed by Sir Dennis Ritchie in the early 1970s. It is considered as the mother of all programming language because most of the compilers are written in it and most of the programming language follows the C syntax. For example, in C++, Java and C hash. It is also a procedural language. Here, procedural language specifies a series of steps for the program to solve the problem. I think that you all must have a doubt that why should we learn a programming language which is too old, which is developed in its early 1970s. So don't you worry, I will be clearing all your doubts. Actually, C is widely used in various domains. C is a highly efficient programming language that was initially developed to write operating systems. It provides low level control over hardware, making good for high performance applications. Also, the knowledge of C serves as a strong foundation for learning other programming languages. Even Linus Torvalds, the developer of the Linux operating system, once said that C teaches you the importance of simplicity and efficiency. It forces you to think about memory management and performance, making you a better programmer in any language. Moving further, we have the key features of our C programming language. The first feature is efficiency. The C programming language is very efficient as the basic syntax style of implementing is very simple and easy to learn. Second is extensibility. It means you can easily and quickly extend a program. That if a code is already written, you can add new features to it with a few alterations. Third is portability. If you write a C code in your machine, it will run on any machine which supports C without modifying a single line of code. According to a latest survey in 2022, C programming language has almost 19.4% of the active developers. Now let's dive into the syntax part of our C programming language. C has a concise and straightforward syntax that allows you to write efficient code. The first is the header section. The header is the first line in the C program with extension .h, which contains macro definitions and C functions. The next we have is the main section. The main section is the most important part of a C program. The main section contains the execution for our C program. We should start with a curly bracket to open our main section. And inside it, we should write the instruction that instructs the program to perform a specific task. This section is called as the body of the program. Then we have a return type, which is the last part of the C program, which refers to returning values of the program. If the return type is void, then there will be no return statement. Similarly, we should use the closing curly bracket for closing our main section. Moving further, we have the applications of our C programming language. It gives us a rough idea about why and where we are going to use our programming language in that specific application. So, the first application is web browser. C is mostly used to build web browsers. The famous Chrome browser is also built using C. Second is the operating system. The Windows operating system is also based on C programming language. The third is MySQL. MySQL is a famous database management system which is also based on C programming language. So, whether you are a beginner or an experienced programmer, this series will guide you step by step, providing clear explanations and practical examples. So, get ready to embark on an exciting journey into the world of C programming. Stay tuned for the next video in the series where we will start exploring the basics of C programming. Thanks for now.